Day in the life of a 24-year-old making $100,000 a month. Let's get it. I woke up today to $827. But that's not even the most exciting part about today, because today, one of my boys from New York, Mino Lee, you might have seen him on TikTok or Instagram before, actually flew down to Chicago. So I'm gonna link up with him pretty much all day, just working together on our own different businesses. But before that, I have a meeting with my sales team to announce our crazy new guarantee offer that we'll be implementing. Can't say it publicly yet. Maybe you'll see it eventually, but it's gonna take my sales team and overall just our entire company to a whole new level. And then finally, number 3 is my videographer. Esteban is actually gonna come film the entire day too. So I'm debating if I still wanna film with my own camera while my videographer is filming me, like a little vlogception, but I guess we'll have to find out. Let's get the day started. Let's go. Alright, Esteban, what's the vlog for today?
I collab with Mino. I film y'all talking and dinner tonight.
Only had coffee during that quote-unquote lunch, so gotta eat my meal prep chicken so I don't waste any food. Alright, Mino, how do you like the apartment so far?
This is really nice, honestly. What do you personally like most about your apartment?
I'd probably say like everything's all in one spot, so I basically don't have to go outside. So I got the gym, I got the pool, hot tub, obviously got the views for my content.
Well, you said you have a steam room and sauna as well?
Yeah, pretty much have everything I need. Only time I ever go outside is like with my girl on the weekends and then like church and groceries on Sunday. How would you rate the hot pot meal?
Solid 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. So why isn't it like a 2 or 3?
You know, I really like the meat. Like, I've never really had a ribeye in a hot pot, and I expect it to be like 6 to be handing out ribeye. It's only $51 with tax and tip, so I was like, pleasantly surprised by the price as well.
Alright, I am dead as hell. What a day. Always great hanging out with Mino. I feel like we bounce hella ideas back and forth with each other every time we talk. Big breakthroughs, a lot of different creative sparks that I've learned throughout today that I'll be implementing in the future. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and especially give me your biggest takeaways in the comments below. But as always, official numbers for the day. $2,857. So not amazing, but better than the past couple days, so I'll take it. But as always, if you are interested in learning how I'm able to make all this money without doing much work, I just made a free course breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit just type messages on my phone. Now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. It's on YouTube. Check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna be insane. So again, check out this playlist right here and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.